Children, today I am going to taking the class 4th standard subject science topic our body, a wonderful machine. Our body works like a machine. Okay, you are already studied in your previous classes sense organs and their functions. Which are the sense organs are there in our body? Yes, eye, ear, nose, tongue, skin. These are the 5 sense organs are there. Now you have to match the sense organs with their functions. Okay, what's the function of the eye, children? Yes, to see things. You have to match eye to see things. Next, ear. What's the function of the ear? To hear sounds. To hear sounds. Ear to, you have to match from ear to hear sounds. Next, nose. What's the function of the nose? To smell. You have to draw from nose to smell. Next, tongue. What's the function of the tongue? To taste. To taste. Okay. Next, what's the function of the skin? To feel heat or cold. You have to match from skin to feel heat or cold. Children, these are the sense organs are situated outside the body. We can see it, but some organs, there are so many organs are present inside our body. Let me see about that. You can't see the muscles and bones of our body, which are covered by the skin. The skin protects our body. Bones and muscles together give shape and structure of our body. There are differences between the shape and structure of your body and the shape and structure of the bodies of your friends also. Observe them. Okay. The important functions of our body, such as respiration, digestion, blood circulation and excretion, keep our body strong and healthy. Learn about the inner organs of the body and their functions. Respiration. You know that you take in air through the nose. Look at the picture. Air enters our body through our nose. Okay. And in the same path it comes out. So the hand on the chest feels the rise and fall. The path and the organs in which the air passes through are shown in this picture. Write them in the correct order. First, nose. You should write here nose. Second one, windpipe. First, air passes through the nose and then it will passes to windpipe and then it will reaches the lungs. Next, third one, you should write here lungs. Okay, our body needs oxygen that is in the air. When we breathe, the lungs absorb the oxygen from the air. The carbon dioxide, which is not needed to our body, goes out with the air through the windpipe and the nose. What is respiration? The process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide is called respiration. Children, you have to practice some healthy habits for proper respiration. Which are they? Clean your nose regularly when you take bath. Do not cover your face while sleeping. When you are moving in the place of dust, take care to avoid dust entering your nose. Do not be in a hurry while eating food and drinking water. Do not expose yourself to smoke. If you breathe smoke, it causes problems related to lungs. At least once in a day, sit straight and take deep breath for 10 minutes. Try it daily. Do not put things such as stick, pen, piece of chalk, etc. into your nose. Do not breathe through the mouth. Cover your mouth with a handkerchief while coughing or sneezing. The germs can be avoided from entering the air. If you are suffering from cold and cough, this avoids the spreading of cold and cough to others. Next, blood circulation. Observe this picture. Write its name. Children, observe this picture. Which picture is this? Name this organ is heart. You have to write here heart. Okay, next. You have seen the discharge of blood when the body is injured. What color is the blood? What color is the blood? Right here. Red color. Do you know that the blood circulates in all parts of the body? The main organ of the body which pumps blood to all parts of the body is called heart. Do it yourself, children. Fold your left hand fingers to make a fist like this, okay? The size of your heart is almost equal to your left fist. Okay, all of you do it. You have already learnt about the lungs. The heart is located between the lungs, slightly towards the left. It is protected by the chest cavity. Have you seen lifting water from the well through pipes with the help of a pump? In the same way, heart is also pumps the blood to all parts of our body through the blood vessels. Next, the blood circulates to all parts of the body. It gets impure by receiving carbon dioxide from all parts of the body. This impure blood enters the heart through blood vessels. From the heart, this impure blood reaches the lungs. In the lungs, it gives up carbon dioxide and receives oxygen and becomes pure. The pure blood reaches the heart once again through the blood vessels. From the heart, impure blood reaches the lungs. In the lungs, it gives exchange of gases will be occurs. It gives up carbon dioxide and receives oxygen from there and becomes pure. The pure blood reaches that means oxygenated blood reaches the heart once again through the blood vessels. The pure blood which has oxygen reaches all parts of the body through the blood vessels. This is blood circulation. Observe this, children. This blue color indicates deoxygenated blood, that is blood mixing carbon dioxide. Here red color means it's oxygenated blood, that is pure blood. Okay. How do doctors examine the heartbeat? Have you seen this? Name this instrument. Yes, this is stethoscope. Okay. Instrument used by the doctor is known as stethoscope. Okay. Do it yourself. Take 3 plastic tubes, a T-shaped tube and a funnel, a thin rubber or plastic sheet and some rubber bands. Join them as shown in the picture. Your stethoscope is ready. This instrument is used by doctors to know the heartbeat. Keep the funnel of stethoscope on the chest of your friend. Keep the 2 tubes into your ears and count the heartbeat. How many times does a heartbeat in a minute? Keep your palm on chest and count the heartbeat. It's approximately 70 to 100 beats per minute. Children, let me see some question and answers. What is respiration? What is respiration? The process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide is called respiration. The process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide is called respiration. Second question, which are the organs involved in respiration? Nose, windpipe, lungs. Nose, windpipe, lungs. Write the important functions of our body. Write the important functions of our body. They are respiration, digestion, blood circulation, excretion. Respiration, digestion, blood circulation, excretion. Fourth one, name the organ which covers our body. Name the organ which covers our body. Skin. Next question, which organ pumps blood to all parts of the body? Heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body. What is blood circulation? The pure blood which has oxygen reaches all parts of the body through blood vessel. This is called blood circulation. Name the instrument used by doctors to know the heartbeat. That is stethoscope. All of you practice these question answers.